In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can increase controller sensitivity here in Fall Guys. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Starting off on the main menu right here, you're going to want to hit the options or menu button and go to the controller section just like so. Open it up. This is going to be your controller settings, and this is where you're going to find your sensitivity as well. Essentially, you might not notice it at first, but your camera sensitivity controls how fast you look around, and by default, it's usually going to be set to 50, but if you want to increase it, move the slider up to something like 75, just like so, or try 70 to start. The higher the number, obviously the faster your camera will move. After adjusting it the way that you would like, back out of the menu and start a solo show, and you could do this just by changing the game mode, just like so. Hit solos, it'll load you in, and of course, all you gotta do is test it out in game. Now, obviously, what I'd recommend doing is not going straight to 100, just gradually increase it until it feels comfortable, because, you know, if you're used to higher sensitivity in games like Call of Duty, it'll feel natural. However, the sensitivity in this game is absolutely insane, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.